adjacent angles on a straight line. That means over a straight line. Okay, for an example, let's take this one. This is our straight line. When I split this, okay, when I split this straight line, okay, over the straight line, we have our straight angle. We know what is our straight angle. Straight angle equals to 180 degrees. We know that one already. Straight angle equals to 180 degrees. In adjacent angles on a straight line, we are using the 180 as a reference to identify the remaining angle summation. Okay, here I'll give you two angles. In this point, two angles. So sum of these two angles. Okay, that means A plus B. A plus B will become 180. I'll use some small line. So let's discuss many examples. Okay, over this line, this is my A magnitude, A angle, this is my B angle. So A plus B, A plus B equals to 180 degrees. For our next example, I'll take another line. Okay, in this straight line, yeah, this angle was split into three portions. That means uh, X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. That means that 180 total is always 180. That was split into three portions, three non-equal portions. That means X plus Y plus Z would be equals to 180 degrees. Not only two or three. When we split this into totally six angles, one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, that means in between we have seven angles. Summation of all these angles, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, totally seven angles. When we add up all these seven angles, that will give you exact 180 degrees. That means over a straight line, that is totally always 180. When we split that into many kind of angles, summation of all those angles will give you exact 180 degrees. That's what we call as adjacent angles. Okay, adjacent angles on a straight line. Adjacent angles on a straight line. Summation of those will give you 100. Okay, look at this example. So sum of these two, 75 plus x, would be equals to 108. Okay, then to find the magnitude of x from 180, you should subtract the 75 degrees. So that will give you x as 105 degrees. That's the way we need to find magnitude of x. For another example, let's take this question. This one which is split into four portions. This is y, and this one 2y, and this one another y. Okay, y, 2i and y. Okay, sum of these four, y plus 2y plus another y, that would be 180. So y plus 2y plus y, that will be 4y equals to 180. Finally, to find the magnitude of y, okay, y, you should divide, y should be equals to, yeah, 4 and y and multiplication relationship. To oppose that, we have to divide 180 divided by number 4, divided by 4. That will give you y as 45 degrees. 45 degrees. This is the way, by using the adjacent angle sum of a straight line, we are finding some variables value. Okay, for the first one, sum of these two, that means 3x plus 2y, will together equals to 180. To find x magnitude, 5x equals to 180. So x would be 180 divided by 5. That will give you x as 36. That's your first question's answer. For the second one, there is a right angle already occupied. So sum of these two, 2b plus b plus 90, that would be 180. That means 3b equals to 90. Okay, 3b equals to 180. This positive 90 will become a negative 90 this time. So 3b equals to 90. So b would be equals to 30 degrees in our second case. For the last one, there is the right angle in between, and there are 2x plus x, 3x plus 4x, 6x. x plus 90 equals to 180. That means uh, 6x, that would be equals to 180 minus 90. 90 x is equals to 90 divided by 6. That will give you x as 15 degrees. That's